Shifty Outdoors. I'm Shifty and we're in Oklahoma on Lake of the Arbuckles. I'm on Ray's boat, Ray Moody out of Oklahoma, having a blast. We just got here, just started setting up. Stay with us. We're gonna put a couple of bass right here in this boat. Oh, there's our first fish, Ray.
All right.
There's our first one.
Fish. Oklahoma fish.
That's my first Oklahoma bass. Oh, look at him.
Yeah, he's spotted up.
Wow.
Nice little largemouth.
That's an interesting.
Very good. Ooh, came right off. Yeah, that's the genetic thing on those that do that when they're like that.
Ray's on a fish.
Oh.
Come and gone, come and gone. Oh, there you go, Ray.
A spotted bass.
That's a spot?
Yeah, this is a spot. I'll show you.
Because the fins are really close together, huh?
Yeah, so you see this margin here. And then if you feel inside, you can even see it on that one. It's got a little tooth patch right inside its mouth.
Oh, gotcha.
Then you can see the rows, lines of spots down the back sides.
Oh, cool.
Very little guy. I also have orange eyes.
We'll take
Really
it.
pretty.
We'll take it.
Small one.
Ray's on again.
Spirit too.
It's a smallie. Oh, no, sorry.
That's a large one.
I just saw that color, I thought.
Yeah, he's a little dark.
You put on a shaky head?
No, it's a wacky rig.
Oh, he just took it all the way down, huh? Nice. Yeah?
Close to the base. Oh, that's hard. Okay.
Oh, you
Oh, that was a smallie.
Did you see what he did?
Yep.
He broke me off.
Oh, he broke you off.
On that money lure that I was telling you, it was just straight money.
Oh,
That was a pretty good
that's
fish,
a
and I
nice
lost
little
him.
smallie.
This isn't a big one, but it's a fish.
Oh yeah. Is that a white bass?
I was just gonna say, is it a white bass?
Sure
I'm gonna
enough.
lift him in. That is a white bass.
How about that? You caught like all this. You haven't caught a spot
You know, I leave Utah Lake where there's tons of white bass. I come out here to
yet. Come to Oklahoma.
come to Oklahoma and I catch white bass.
Yeah.
That's good.
They can get pretty big around here. We can get 2 and 3 pounders pretty frequently.
2 and 3 pound white bass.
Oh yeah.
Oklahoma white bass. Kind of interesting. What do you got, Ray? You got a white bass too? As we were just talking about white bass on a crankbait. Yeah, love it. Man, he's on another fish. And I just lost one. Well, I brought it in, didn't get it on film. Yep, another white bass. Oh, no, that's a big one. I don't know if I still got him on. I think. Oh no, he's still on. Another whitey.
We found a little school.
Yeah. Just like at home. Oh, Ray's on again. Hey, that's a monster, Ray.
Oh, that's a bruiser. We're gonna get doubles on here in a minute.
Yeah. They're back here.
Oh, yeah.
Got him. Little one. It's gotta be a, oh, you know what? It's a little small, hold on a second, it's a smallie.
Yeah.
That's our first smallie.
Yeah.
It's small for a smallie, but you know what?
Yeah.
That's, how many species is that for me today? Is that 3 different kind?
3 or 4.
Oh, he hit me right at the boat.
Yeah.
Right at the
That's
boat.
a decent one.
Yeah.
That's a little bigger one. That's kind of whack you hard.
That was pretty wild there. That was pretty funny. Oh, he is a good fish.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's
This one might be a little bigger. That one, this one took me pretty hard. Now watch it be a 3-incher.
Yeah, they have a big heart. They smack it.
They think they're, oh, look at, oh no, I was gonna say it was another smallie, but it's not. It's a white. Yeah, they think they're bigger than they are, huh?
Yeah, they think they're big boys.
Got him. There we go. Another Lake of the Arbuckles bass. Let's see what it is. That'd be a whitey. He's not really giving me a lot of fights. And it is another whitey. That's confidence. Oh, right there. Oh, maybe I didn't get it, but I called it on my first cast, but you know what? He hit me. I couldn't keep him on. Darn. I'm going back after him.
Okay.
Got him. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's a fish. I was going to say maybe I hooked bottom. I cast in a different area using a red lure.
Oh yeah, that's another one.
It's a good one.
Yeah. I can tell you that's a small sand bass for Oklahoma though. They usually run quite a bit bigger than that.
Well, where I come from, this is actually a pretty good size for a white bass. That's a Stacy Salmon's fish right there. He loves these red crankbaits. He went that way, sorry. Got him, huh?
Oh, no.
Miss him?
Might have been a rock or some grass.
They count. Oh, man, he dove hard. Is that an osprey?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's why he dove. There's a lot of hawks behind us. I hope they're not vultures. Think we're gonna die. We've had our fun on this side of the pond. Now we'll go find someone else.
I think so. I don't like to usually turn away from biting fish.
They're just not the kind we came for, though.
No.
Got him. Let's just hope it's not white.
I bet it's largy.
It's a largemouth.
Yeah, or spot.
We chain spots. Is that a spot or is this a largemouth? Does that hold it for you? I don't see anything different on this one.
Yeah, that's the spot. You can see the lines on him. Yep.
For a real small fish, that's a good looking fish.
Oh, they're pretty.
Got a lot of color.
Yeah, they're beautiful fish. If you catch like a nice one, like 3 or 4 pounders,
Yeah.
they're an impressive looking fish. Their spots are always a lot brighter. Yep.
There you go.
Hey!
Yeah. What is it? You see? Small.
Yeah. For the little guys, there's some big guys. That's another little spot. Sweet. There he is.
Got him?
Yep.
Oh, got him. This one's fighting better.
There you go.
Please be. This is either a better largemouth or it's a big white bass. But this is the best fight so far I've had today.
Cool.
Gotta be a good fish. No way it's coming in as a dink. No, look at this. There we go. Oh
There's
no!
your fifth species.
Oklahoma doesn't got catfish.
About that.
No!
That's a 5-hitter right there.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Shifty Outdoors doesn't catch catfish.
Nice channel
These make
cat.
me sick.
Nice channel cat.
Oh no. The
That's
channel
good
cat
eating right there.
catches up to the crank. I don't even like the look of these things. 5 species. I'm loving it. That's a fish right there. I think. Oh, I can't. Am I hooked up? I can't tell if it's coming in or. It's a log. It's a log. Gotta get them on. I've caught all day.
Longest one anyway.
It's like a set of antlers. Ooh, it's just a.
That's
What is that?
That's American drum.
That's a drum?
Yeah, that's a drum.
Got him. That was really, I was lifting the head of him up. Oh no, that's my 7th species. He's landed.
It is.
That's my 7th. Is that red ear?
Let's see what
Or
kind
is that a
it
green
is.
sunfish?
No, that's a bluegill, I think. Yeah, that's a bluegill. See how long pectoral pointed?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Does that make 8?
That's 7, I think.
7?
7 species. That's too cool.
Where all the white bass are today.
Right beside these front coves. He took that little pumpkin seed.
Yep. I like that, man.
That's a bigger
Yeah,
whitey. Got him. I could feel him tapping. He's not very big, but he was tapping, tapping. He wanted it.
Man, they go. Oh,
What's it? I got him.
Oh my
I got a black crappie.
You did. Actually, I think it's a white. That's a white crappie.
That's a white crappie?
That is a white one. So you can see the vertical bands. See, they're really faint, but you can see them. How about that? I'm not even thinking. There's all kinds of fish, more fish. You could catch a black one too. That's a good crappie right there. Now that is some outstanding eating right there.
That's what I've heard.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
That's a
Species
nice
number
one.
8.
That.
What a day, Ray. What a day. I think he came off. He was a small one, though. Did you see him hit me?
No,
Oh, he's still on. He's
Oh.
baby. Oh no, that's a different one. That's my 9th.
That is a warmouth.
Warmouth?
That is what that is. Yes.
Guys, species number 9.
I think. Yep. that's
Warmouth
what
I've
it
never even
is.
heard of.
That's what it is.
9
I
species.
know my fish too. I'm not just.
Oh no, I know you
I
do.
thought it was a green sunfish, but no, that's a warmouth. So you see the lines coming off its eyes, kind of in a little radius, kind of like a little starburst.
Warmouth. Isn't that awesome? No fight to the little guy, but what a cool colored fish. And it's dead calm now. It's beautiful.
Yeah, and here it is.
Oh yeah. There's one.
Hey,
Small one.
yeah, sweet.
Whatever it is I want it to be.
Looks like a largemouth or a spot. Looks probably like a largemouth, maybe. Yep, checking.
Doesn't have any nice colors, that's for sure.
Going after that.
It's a largemouth, but it doesn't have any prettiness to him.
No, he's kind of plain. I think you got the numbers, man. I hats off to you today.
They,
Caught a lot more fish than I have.
it took me a while.
And in the front of the boat.
Well, you're trying to catch on a specific lure, and I'm trying to catch numbers.
Yeah, I'd like to catch a really big one.
I know dang well what would have happened if you tried hard. There's no question who the better angler is.
No. I can tell you've got a little bit of experience fishing.
I fished a little bit.
Besides, I'd rather be lucky than good any day.
Oh, heck yeah.